Plant FAQs. Abutilon Palmeri. Abutilon Palmeri, a resilient beauty for your garden. I'm Ferb Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Abutilon Palmeri, a captivating plant native to the southwestern United States and northwestern Mexico. Often called Palmer's hibiscus, superstition mallow, or Palmer's Indian mallow, this shrub is a true survivor, thriving in the harsh realities of the Sonoran Desert. See more 178 species in genus Abutilon at monsteraholic.com. What makes Abutilon Palmeri special? Desert dweller. Unlike many flowering plants, Abutilon Palmeri isn't fazed by heat and dryness. Its velvety, heart-shaped leaves boast a grayish-green hue, minimizing water loss through transpiration. This adaptation allows it to flourish in arid environments where most plants struggle. Year-round blooms. One of the most captivating aspects of this shrub is its extended blooming season, from spring to fall, and sometimes even into winter in warmer climates. Abutilon Palmeri produces a profusion of vibrant yellow to orange, cup-shaped flowers. These cheerful blossoms bring a touch of life to any landscape. Low-maintenance charmer. If you're looking for a plant that thrives with minimal fuss, Abutilon Palmeri is an excellent choice. It's a low-maintenance wonder, requiring infrequent watering and minimal fertilizer. This makes it ideal for busy gardeners or those living in regions with water restrictions. Wildlife magnet. The nectar-rich flowers of Abutilon Palmeri are a beacon for butterflies, hummingbirds, and other pollinators. Planting this shrub in your garden not only adds beauty but also supports the local ecosystem by providing a valuable food source for these fascinating creatures. How to plant and care for Abutilon Palmeri. Sun seeker. This desert native thrives in full sun. Choose a location in your garden that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily for optimal growth and flowering. Well-drained soil. Abutilon Palmeri is susceptible to root rot in waterlogged conditions. Ensure your planting site has well-draining soil. Amending clay-heavy soil with sand or perlite can improve drainage. Watering wisely. Water deeply when the soil feels dry to the touch, allowing it to dry out completely between waterings. Avoid overwatering, as this can damage the roots. Feeding time. While Abutilon Palmeri isn't a heavy feeder, a light application of balanced fertilizer during the growing season can encourage vibrant blooms. Pruning for perfection. Regular pruning can help maintain the shrub's shape and encourage bushier growth. Prune lightly after flowering to remove spent blooms and promote new growth. Abutilon Palmeri versus hibiscus. Close cousins, different needs. Abutilon Palmeri is often referred to as Palmer's hibiscus, and while they share some similarities, these plants have distinct characteristics and care requirements. Here's a quick comparison. Origin. True hibiscus, Hibiscus rosasinensis, originates in tropical and subtropical regions of Asia. Abutilon Palmeri, on the other hand, is a desert native. Sun preference. Hibiscus prefers partial shade, especially in hot climates. Abutilon Palmeri thrives in full sun. Water needs. Hibiscus requires consistent moisture, while Abutilon Palmeri is drought-tolerant. Cold tolerance. Hibiscus is not frost-tolerant. Abutilon Palmeri can withstand light frosts. Incorporating Abutilon Palmeri into your landscape. This versatile shrub can be a valuable addition to various garden styles. Xeriscaping. With its low water needs, Abutilon Palmeri is a perfect choice for water-wise gardens. Butterfly gardens. The vibrant flowers attract butterflies, creating a captivating display of color and life. Wildlife gardens. Not only butterflies, but also hummingbirds and other pollinators benefit from the nectar-rich blooms. Native plant gardens. For those wanting to create a habitat-friendly space, Abutilon Palmeri supports local wildlife and provides a sense of place. Containers. This adaptable shrub can also thrive in containers, adding a touch of desert beauty to patios, balconies, or porches. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving Abutilon Palmeri in your garden, enjoying its captivating blooms and attracting fascinating pollinators for years to come.